Good morning to all of you. Myself Shamim Ahmed. I am pursuing BSc Honours in Geography from Aligarh Muslim University. Today I will discuss Sustainable Development subtopic MDG and SDG goal. First of all, we will discuss about MDG goal. MDG goals means Millennium Development Goal. At United Nations Millennium Summit in September 2000, world leaders agreed to a specific and measurable goal is known as MDG. And these goals were only for developing nations, and the target year was the 215. MDG it have 8 goals and 18 targets and 48 indicators. There was a meeting held in New York on September 6 to September 8. There was 189 countries approved the United Nations Declaration. MDG were implemented by UNDP. UNDP means United Nations Development Program. Now we will discuss about MDG goal number 1. Eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Extreme poverty means to MDG, if a person is not having $1 per day, he is considered under poverty. And hunger means if a pupil who is living in rural area is not attaining considered under poverty. And hunger means if a pupil who is living in rural area is not attaining 2400 calories per day, he is under hunger situation. And in rural 2100 calories per day in 2020, and 811 million people are comes in category of hunger. In 2015, number of hunger people reduced to 768 million people. Global poverty rates are falling, led by Asia, but million people have sunk deep into poverty in Sub-Sahara Africa, where the people are getting poorer. Progress has been made against hunger, but slow growth of agriculture output and expanding population have led to setback in some regions. Now we will discuss about MDG goal number 2. To achieve universal primary education, according to UN, the child between 5 to 8 years of age is going to school mandatory at least 4 years. In 2000, 100 million school children are out of school. In 2015, number of children are reduced to 57 million children out of school. Out of 27 million, 23% leave school and 43% not enrolled. Net primary enrollment in 2000, 83%. In 2015, it increased to 91%. 5 developing regions are approaching universal enrollment, but in Sub-Sahara Africa, less than 2/3 of children are enrolled in primary school. Now MDG goal number 3. Promote gender equity and empower women. Equity defined to give equal opportunity for women, and gender equity means access and opportunity for boys and girls enrollment in school. In 2000, Africa 1000 per 74 girls, which means school going girls in 2015. In Africa, 104 girls per 1000 of boys. Though progress is being made, women still lack equal representation at the highest level of government, holding only 16% of parliament seat worldwide. Now, goal number 4. To reduce child mortality. Prenatal mortality means number of deaths in first week divided by total number of births. Neonatal mortality means number of deaths in 28 days divided by number of births. Child mortality rate means number of deaths within 5 years divided by number of births. In 1990, total child mortality was 12.7 million. In 2015, reduced to 6 million. Death rate in children under age 5 are dropping, but not fast enough. 11 million children a year 30,000 a day die from preventable or treatable causes. Expanding existing programs that promote simple and low-cost solutions could save most of these lives due to availability of hospital. Now, goal number 6. Combat HIV, AIDS, malaria and other disease. AIDS in 2000, 3.3 million people suffering from AIDS disease. In 2015, reduced 2.1 million. In 2000, 58% people suffer from malaria. In 2015, this number reduced to 37%. AIDS has become the leading cause of premature death in Sub-Saharan Africa and the fourth largest killer worldwide. In the European countries of the Commonwealth of Independent States and part of Asia, HIV is spreading at an alarming rate. Through new drug treatment prolong life, there is no cure for AIDS and prevention efforts must be intensified in every region of the world if the target is not be reached. Now we will discuss about goal number 7. Ensure environment sustainability. Its indicator forest, CO2 emission, ozone, water and marine etc. In 1990, there were 22.3 billion, that is 76% people who got safe drinking water. In 2015, this number increased 4.2, that is 21% who got safe drinking water. Goal number 8. To develop a global partnership for development in 2000, 23% people having phones in developed countries. In 2015, this number increased 71% globally if we taking 1990 base level to reduce problem by 50% up to 2050, which means if we taking 1990 a base year, problem was to reduce 50% by 2015. Progress. Goal number 7. Most countries have committed to the principle of sustainable development, but this has not resulted in sufficient progress to reverse the loss of world environment's resource. Achieving the goal will require greater attention to the plight of the poor, whose day-to-day subsistence is often directly linked to the natural resource around them, and an unprecedented level of global cooperation. Goal number 8. Progress. The United Nations Millennium Declaration represents a global social compact. Developing countries will do more to ensure their own development, and developed countries will support them through aid, debt relief and better opportunities for trade. Progress in each of these areas has already begun to yield results, but developed countries have fallen short of targets they have set for themselves. To achieve the Millennium Development Goal, increased aid and debt relief must be accompanied by further opening of trade, accelerated transfer of technology and improved employment opportunity for the growing ranks of young people in the developing world. In first part of we will cover up MDG goal. Now we will discuss about SDG goal. After MDG, the SDG come into existence for both developing and developed nation. SDG means to achieve better world and more sustainable world for all people and the world, and it includes 193 countries. SDG having 17 goals and 169 targets and 247 indicators. SDG goal number 1. No poverty. It have 7 target and 13 indicators. Its target was eradicate extreme poverty, all type of poverty, half by 2030, and social assistance program. In 2015, 736 million live extreme poverty. In 2020, reduced 721 million people who live extreme poverty. Goal number 2. End hunger target 8 and 14 indicators. In 2015, 22.4% people live in a condition who get sufficient amount of food. In 2020, due to pandemic, this number increased by 25.9%, and in 2030 it estimate may reduce to 15.2%, and 1/9 people go to bed without food. The hunger is made of factor to child is dead, child having low height due to hunger. In 2015, 24% people spring from hunger, and 22% people spring from stunting problem. In 2015, 6.7 million people under hunger, and in 2020 the number increased to 702 million due to pandemic situation. Now we will discuss about goal number 3, good health and well-being. Well-being means the state of being happy, healthy or prosperous. 13th target and 28 indicators. Now we will discuss about goal number 4 of SDG. Quality of education, it having 10 target and 11 indicators. The target was a free education, access to education research. Now we will discuss about goal number 5, gender equity, having 9 target and 14 indicators. The main target was discrimination against girl and women and violence for child marriage and unpaid work participation, equal right in land technology and empowerment, necessary to reproduce health, legalization, women participation. Now we will discuss about goal number 6. Goal number 6, clean water and sanitation. Sanitation means health and hygiene, having 8 target and 11 indicators like safe, affordable drinking water and open detection, health and hygiene water. Management, efficient water use, refresh water, sanitation development, sports. Goal number 7, affordable and clean energy, having 5 target and 6 indicators, that is efficient electricity technology and research, renewable energy, 80% energy to go from conventional source of energy and 50% energy renewable source of energy by 2030. Goal number 8, promote inclusive innovation and infrastructure. It have 8 target and 12 indicators. The target was CO2 emission reduce and research and development sector activities that compromise undertake to innovate and introduce new product and service. Now we will discuss about goal number 10, reduce equality. It contains 10 target and 11 indicator, equality in poor and rich, income inequality, lacking international universal migration, imminent laws. According to UNDP, which poor means if a person is having $1.9 per day, he will considered as rich. In urban, 2,400 calories in rural area and 2,100 calories in urban area. Have shelter per 3 person per bedroom and a kitchen, and capable to one time alteration, cloth well, education within 7 km, accessibility to hospital, he will considered as rich. According to UNDP, 50.3% in India and 39.6% in world are poor. Goal number 11, sustainable cities and communities, having 10 target and 14 indicator. Main target, reduce pollution, green risk, urban intellectual and green building, urban settlement. Goal number 12, responsible in consumption and reduction, having 13 indicators and 11 target. Main target, consumption 23% household, retail, factory and industry. In 2030, half the present food worldwide environment. To company adopt 92% food production by using of chemical and fertilizer. Goal number 13, climate action. Climate action, 5 target and 6 indicator. It's having target like sustainable and resilient environment, UN frame take urgent action to combat climate change and its impact, which are to be achieved by 2030. Climate change, IPCC greenhouse gas control. Goal number 14. It is life below water. Contain 10 target and 10 indicator. It is all about marine population. It is all about marine population and ecosystem. Life below water, globalized fishing, catching, manuals, marine resource, coastal environment. Now we will discuss about goal number 15. Life above land. Its main target was terrestrial ecosystem and biome and biodiversity and desertification, national park and genetic diversity. Goal number 6. It is peace, justice and strong institution, having 12 target and 23 indicators. Main target was violence, tracking, discrimination, people, all from sector, government policies, institution participation. Goal number 17. It is partnership for have 19 target and 25 indicator. Main target was internet participation and global communication enhance, strength domestic capacities for revenue collection. Now finally we will discuss about MDG conclusion. The final MDG report confirmed that goal setting can lift millions of people out of poverty, empower women and girls, improve health and well-being, and provide vast new opportunity for better lives. Now we will discuss about SDG conclusion. The SDG are a global effort towards a socially just and environmentally sustainable future where no one is left behind. The COVID-19 pandemic has shown with devastating consequences some of what a future threatened by further pandemic or climate and ecological crisis could look like. Sustainable development encourages us to conserve and enhance our resource base by gradually changing the way in which we develop and use technology. Countries must be allowed to meet their basic need of employment, food, energy, water and sanitation. That is all from my side. Thank you.